Okay, we'll be again. Indigenous education, Lansdowne School. What is our definition of education? Education is the process of facilitating learning, knowledge, skills, values, beliefs, and habits. Educational methods include teaching, training, storytelling. The LKDSP's mission statement is fostering success for every student, every day. Public education is an investment in the future of all. Our objectives: creative video message sharing, celebration, and efforts. Accomplishments of LPS community. Number 2, to provide inclusive examples that foster a sense of belonging and sharing. Show many avenues of expression that improve the reputation and resilience of teamwork and learning during this time. Ojibwe language teacher, Ms. George Mandokwe, assists students, staff, and families to promote healthy living, learning, and decision-making at the school and in the community. We learn rules and regulate ourselves with them. We follow organization within the whole school. Parents and families complete the circle. We look for safety and moments we can enjoy. We extend learning to a common place with positive directives. We learn to make goals and agreements. We listen to instructions and guidance. We include our whole community. We find various ways and methods to share stories. We invite everyone and everyone participates. We celebrate Indigenous family connections and welcome opportunities to express and expand each culture. We give to those for giving to us. We continue to further the steps and develop meaningful connections. Staff model good and healthy relationships. We value whole school inclusion and celebrate culture and year-end achievement. Community is part of our plan. We work closely with waa-zhinishnaabemyaang. Everyone contributes in their own learning way. We are team builders from JK to grade 8. We do a together messaging. We use child-friendly messaging. We practice appreciation regularly. We take care of our space, knowledge keepers, and learning materials. We worked with Lightning to present songs in the monthly assemblies. We practice leadership and shared accountability. We gifted dance to the whole school. We demonstrated leadership and participation and appreciation. Our community monthly message was given through classroom-based sharing. Gift of song, keeping extension of friendships. Participated in school functions. Created messages for families and others. We enjoyed the Lansdowne Public School community and hot lunches. Orange Shirt Day our way with the Friendship Center. Green gifts created by students, shared with the staff, visiting classrooms. Bringing returns. Personal goals tied together. Creating goals, wampums hanging in the learning commons. Our school learning goals wampum. Ojibwe students made a taco sale to earn money, bought skirts and shirts, and wore them in the assemblies. Our classroom activities and bulletin boards reflected our monthly messages and extended learning. Teamwork displayed as acts of work and learning at Lansdowne School gave the whole school an environmental feeling of inclusion. Mother Earth messaging to care for the planet and each other. The grandfather teachings were used and unpacked by classroom teachers. Every student made a jingle to display on our wall. Special guests with special knowledge presenced our school. Water Walker Wasekom told and talked of responsible stewardship. The whole school was able to appreciate all this work and celebrate it together. Ojibwe students also played games and made sure there was prizes for every participant in the school. We shared with the outside extended LKDSB, and we show appreciation for our young leaders and being our head dancers. Miigwech to the parents, drummers, singers, dancers, community support. Miigwech to the LKDSB programs and staff for contributing to the order, the design, and facilitation, demonstration of intended outcomes. Toward a better and brighter, courageous future, being a part of an educated and safe whole. Miigwech Lansdowne, Miigwech everybody on our team. We have more work to do. Happy Strawberry Moon, June. Miigwech, special miigwech to Talon and Ashley this year. Special miigwech to the LKDSB. Work with Gretchen, Sonia, Laura, Amanda, Ian, and Tara. These are the steps, the stepping stones to where we're going next.